Now in this lecture, we will learn how we can create a folder and start writing our code. Okay. So what I have done is I have created one folder, HTML, CSS, and be very careful while creating the folder. You have to be careful that you don't keep a space here. Then inside this HTML, CSS, I will create another folder, website. Okay. And now I will go to Visual Code, and here we will see this window has opened. Okay. Whenever we start the Visual Code for the very first time, this window will open. Now here we will go to File, Open Folder, and then we will select the folder HTML, CSS, and here we will select this folder, website, and we will select here select folder. So you can see this folder is now selected. We can make it a bit wide and we can keep it less wide also. As you feel comfortable, you can keep the width of this Explorer. So this side is the Explorer, and here we will be writing our code. So we have selected this folder. Now we will create the very first HTML file. So we will go here on this icon and we will click on this icon. Now it is prompting for writing one name. So we will write Harry Potter .html. Okay, and we will then hit enter. So once we hit enter, you can see here a new file is created, harrypotter.html, and we can close this welcome file. Okay, so this is a blank page. If we go here inside this website folder, you can see one HTML document has been created. Now if we double click on this, so you can see there is nothing inside this document because we have not written anything yet. Okay, so this is how we create our very first web page, and the web page name is harrypotter.html. Now let's go here, code.org. If we want to create a new HTML page, we have to click here, HTML, and we can double click on this, and instead of new-1, we can write harrypotter.html, right? And we can hit enter. So we will get this new HTML. Now here you can see some code is written. We can delete this code for the time being because we will learn it. Okay, and this web page is also empty. Now for a trial, what we can do is we can write something here, like here we can write Harry Potter. Okay, and if we now go here and this web page we created, if we just refresh it, okay, now we have to first save it. You can see there is one dot which is appearing over here. If this dot is appearing, it means that this web page is yet not saved. So we have to save it. Either we can go to the file and save it like this, or we can just click Ctrl S. And once we save this web page and refresh this page, you can see this Harry Potter is now appearing. So if we go to this website and we write Harry Potter here and we click on refresh and save, you can see it is showing an output Harry Potter. So in this code.org website, on the left hand side we have the Explorer where we have all the files that we have created. At the center we do the programming, and on the right side we get the output. Whereas in the Visual Code we have to get the output separately on the browser. Okay, because this is web based, so we get the output here itself, but in case of Visual Code we get output separately on the browser. So you can use any of the methods, both are equally good, but we will go ahead with the Visual Code one. And if you have any problem in using Visual Code, you can write the same codes on this code.org platform. So you will get the same results and you don't have to be bothered about whether your Visual Code is working or not. Okay, from this lecture onwards, we will work with Visual Code. So this was all about setting up and starting to write our codes for HTML. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.